Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about how can we turn off ultra power saving mode setting in Tecno phone device. Friends, you have got this ultra power saving mode setting. So then how can you off it today? I will show you. I will tell you in this video. So before starting video, friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, now let's see how can we off ultra power saving mode. Friends, you can see get this quiet option guys. Tap here. Are you sure to quiet your ultra power saving mode? Yes guys, you want to off, so you will have to click on this OK option, tap here to off it. As you can see guys, everything is fine in our phone. As you can see, your ultra power saving mode has off. So like that guys, we can turn off guys our phone ultra power saving mode setting. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you have understood how to off ultra power saving mode in Tecno phone device. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video.